These ideas can assist you in weight loss part 1. Do not miss meals in the morning. You won't lose weight by skipping breakfast. You may be missing out on essential nutrients, leading to hunger. This may force you to eat often throughout the day. Eat 3 meals each day. You may melt calories quicker by eating regularly. Additionally, it lessens the allure of snacks rich in fat and sugar. Ensure your daily intake of fruit and vegetables is bountiful. You'll have an easier time losing weight if you include low-calorie, low-fat, high-fiber fruits and vegetables in your diet. In addition, they have vitamins and minerals in high supply. Get out and play more. To lose weight and maintain it, physical activity is essential. In addition to the vast array of health advantages, exercise also helps eliminate the calories you're unable to burn off with food alone. It's essential to choose something you love doing and make it a regular part of your routine. Drink 8 glasses of water each day. Thirst can sometimes be mistaken for hunger. Drinking a glass of water when you're incredibly thirsty may lead to an increase in calorie intake. High-fiber meals should be eaten. Fibrous foods are ideal for fullness, which helps reduce weight. Plants, such as fruit, vegetables, grains, brown rice, pasta, beans, peas, and lentils, are the only dietary sources containing fiber. Read food labels to find out if you're eating less sugar, more vitamins, or fewer calories. Being able to read food labels is a valuable tool for selecting more nutritious choices. Using your weight reduction plan, use the calorie data to determine how much of your daily calorie limit each meal contains. Are you struggling to lose weight and keep it off? Click the link in description below to find the world's first, 100% natural solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.